Chapter 15. Prepositions. Let's warm up initiative and self-direction. Match the following: A in, B under, C on the top of, D above, E between, F behind. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. Divya is standing behind the tree. They went out in the snow. What do you observe? Let's learn conceptual learning. The colored words behind and in show the relationship between the nouns Divya and tree and between the pronoun they and the noun snow respectively. The word that shows the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another word in a sentence is called the preposition. It tells us if the word is related by place, direction, time or purpose. 3 are different types of preposition. Preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of direction. Preposition of place. The preposition of place shows the position of the noun or pronoun in relation to another noun in a sentence. In, on, under, beside, behind, across, next to, by, above, below, inside, in front of, after, before, with, near, and outside are prepositions of place. For example, A. There is a bush near the swimming pool. B. The child is in the car. C. He ran after her with the bag. D. The boy is standing in front of the bus. Grammar link. A preposition is followed by the noun or pronoun in a sentence. Preposition of time. The preposition of time shows the specific time period, such as date, day, year and time in relation to another noun in a sentence. In, on, at, for, since, during, after, before, from, till, and until are prepositions of time. For example, A. My vacation ends on Sunday. B. My sister was born in 2023. C. We have been living here for 8 months. D. I wake up at 7 a.m. E. She wants to leave before lunch. Preposition of direction. The preposition of direction shows the direction of the noun or pronoun in relation to another noun or pronoun in a sentence. Towards, into, to, around, onto, through, across, on, to, over, along, from, down, and under are prepositions of direction. For example, A. The rock rolled down the hill. B. He jumped into the river. C. The dog is walking along the old man. D. The butterfly is flying around the flower. E. The ball jumped across the river. Grammar link. Prepositions of time and prepositions of place are similar, but their usage is different. Literacy skills. Let's read. Read the conversation aloud and circle prepositions in the given passage. Harish, let's make the project together. I've brought wire, clay and cardboard to make a model of the solar system. Mukund, I've brought paint brush and Fevicol. Puneet, this is the encyclopedia that the teacher has given us. We can read about the topic, look at the pictures and make the model. Nana, have you brought colored paper? Nana. Yes, I have. I've 5 sheets of colored paper. Do you know that our solar system is a part of galaxy? Harish, yes. The galaxy in which our solar system is located is called the Milky Way. Now, let's read this book and find out the names of the planets of the solar system. Puneet, there are 8 planets that move around the sun. Can anyone name them? Nana, yes, I can. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These names are in proper order from the closest to the farthest from the Sun.